Hello.
Hello.
My name is Mr. Edwards. What's your name?
Charlotte.
How old are you?
8.
Let's look at these pictures. They are the same, but some things are different. Here, the girl has black hair, but in this picture, she has blonde hair. What other different things can you see?
I see here there's black shorts and here there's blue shorts.
And what else?
Here there's a black dog. Here there's a white dog.
Very good.
Here there's a plane tree and here there is an apple tree.
Okay, thank you.
Here is a red bird. Here is no red bird. Here is clouds and here is no clouds.
Very good. Now, look at these 4 pictures. They show a story. It's called a fishing day. Look at the pictures first. Look at the first one. Harry and Oliver go fishing today. They come to the river near their house. Both of them hope to catch a big fish to bring home. Now you tell the story.
They sit down on a rock and wait for fishing. Harry gets tired. He lays down on the grass and takes a nap. Oliver catches a fish. Harry was so surprised.
Very good. Now look at these 4 pictures. One is different. The book is different. A lemon, a pineapple, and an orange are fruit. You eat them. You don't eat a book. You read it. Now, you tell me about these pictures. Which one is different and why?
The city, because the mountain and the mountain and the mountain, they're all mountains, and this is a city.
Very good. Now look at these 4 pictures. Which one is different here and why?
The dog. Because the shark, the fish, and the dolphin all live in the ocean.
Very good. And in this row, which one is different?
The computer. Because the shoes, the hat, and the skirts is all stuff you wear.
Very good. Now let's talk about your favorite toy. What is your favorite toy?
Legos.
Legos? And who gave that to you?
My mom and dad.
How does it look?
Like a city.
When do you play with it?
Almost every day.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.
Goodbye.